Hey, this is Ree here. Om Adhyaya Namaha. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. It really helps me a lot. Don't forget to check out my website, paradoxastrology.com. Book your consultation today. I can help you with anything. And if you would like more exclusive occult videos that I don't post on YouTube, consider subscribing to my Patreon. It also helps to support this channel. Okay, so I just want to quickly talk about this mysterious fog that people have been seeing and all the things that have been happening in the sky and how it correlates to astrology. This will answer a lot of your questions about what's going on. Right now, Rahu is in Uttara Bhadrapada Nakshatra in Pisces. This is ruled by Adhir Budhanya, who is one of the 11 Rudras, representing thunder and rain in the sky. Pisces is a water sign, which is also represented by the open sky. Right now, Rahu is currently transiting this nakshatra until March 16th or February 24th, depending on which node you use, the true or the mean node, and has been there since the beginning of July. Rahu is aerial navigation, such as drones, sudden accidents, such as the airplanes that we've been seeing that have been crashing all over the world lately. There's been airplanes crashing quite significantly. And Saturn, which is the significator of this nakshatra, is transiting currently Purva Bhadrapada, which is the front part of the funeral cot, which can cause major deaths and accidents in planes, as it is in Aquarius. Aquarius is planes. Rahu is also fear of poisoning and poisons itself, inflammable gases and toxins. There has been many reports all around the world that there's this mysterious fog that is unlike any normal fog or natural fog and is making people sick. Now, this has already happened before. There was an operation called Operation Sea Spray, and this happened in 1950, where the US Navy had a secret biological warfare experiment in which this bacteria was sprayed all over San Francisco Bay Area in California in order to determine how vulnerable a city like San Francisco may be to a bioweapon attack, killing at least one American and sickening at least 10 more. And people reported that it was a fog and they didn't know what was happening. Why would you do that? This is what Google says, right? So you do not experiment on people. This doesn't make any sense. So this is their cover-up story of it. But you know that they were experimenting on people to see if this would work, their bacteria would work, not to see if they could help anybody. And it's so funny how they twist and gaslight us like that. But I think that this is actually happening again. Because this wasn't the first time that the US Navy or the military tries to experiment on us, the people. Because I think by now everyone can tell that this is not natural. Something is being tested on us. And Purva Bhadrapada, where Saturn is transiting, is used for dark technology by the elites. It is used for rituals that are hidden in plain sight and diabolical uses. It is the lower dark side of life, and that those who participate in never get their hands dirty. It's about lying and deceit and trickery and top secret military research and practices of dark nature. I see this as a test in the beginning of what's planned for March, April, and May of this year coming up, when we have the eclipse on March 29th with 5 planets in Pisces and Saturn at the last degree of Aquarius. I made an entire video about that. You can check it out on my channel, but I didn't include this part. So Purva Bhadrapada also deals with toxic substances and highly polluting waste products, enemies of the environment. They have been spraying a lot of these substances in the air, and this is going to ramp up. Also, Rahu is illusion, which is creating illusions in the sky and drones in the sky to make you believe that aliens are here and creating fear. But the aliens have been working with the government for a very long time in exchange for technology, which are called vrils, also known as reptilians or Nagas. I made an entire video about this. This may seem like a conspiracy theory, but it's not. If you do the research, you will see, and this is actually talked about in the Hindu texts as well. Most of the government is them. Aliens have always been here. We are birthed from aliens. So they do this because it can help them have control. If they create a mass event that triggers the government to make everyone stay indoors, or with a climate emergency, that can lock us down again because no one is falling for the scamdemic again. So they'll have to try something new, and they're doing that with the weather. In Calgary, Alberta, last year, they limited the water supply because there was a problem with the water tanks. But it was very, very fishy. And I feel that that was an experiment to see if they could limit people with their resources. And it worked. So I could see them doing this with climate change as well. They're creating climate problems because they do these false flag weather events using technology, which I see happening this year that they've been doing for a long time. There's patents on changing the weather in order to take over the land for themselves, but also lock people down and control them. That's why they want you to have these 15-minute cities so that you can't travel anywhere. They don't want people to travel anywhere. They want you to stay in your home like you're in a prison. This nakshatra is also about gaining knowledge because this is the key to liberation. So the rain pours down from Uttara Bhadrapada, from the skies, which is the knowledge that gives you the ultimate power, like astrology, for example, like what we're doing now by knowing what they're up to, by looking at the astrology and using this for enlightenment. So the positive side of this is that nothing can stop you once you gain the knowledge, and you will not be in fear because you know the truth. This is what I see happening right now. So I just wanted to put this video out because I don't see anybody talking about this, because a lot of people don't want the backlash, but I don't care about that. So I'll tell you exactly what I see, and I'll keep making videos about this, about more that's coming up. And check out my video about 2025. I go into depth about everything I see that will happen. So thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next one.